Hi everyone, this is Tony Holowitz, and I'd like to have a discussion with you about Act desktop software in early 2022. What are your options? Well, you can buy traditional Act desktop software, which is physically installed software for your computer. Many of you have used it in the past, and it's been around for 35 years, almost 35 years. Act has two options, Act Pro or an Act subscription. Which one's right for you? Well, Act Pro is a one-time purchase, and currently you can purchase Act Pro version 22 for $380 or Act Pro version 24 for $450. There is an obsolescence policy with Act software, so after approximately 3 years, it no longer is supported. Now, this is considered do-it-yourself software, but there are paid support options, and I can help you with it as well. One of the main components of this software is that there's no email marketing. So there's a trade-off. It is a one-time payment. You purchase it, you own it, never have to pay for it again. But there's some trade-offs. So the alternative is getting an Act desktop annual subscription. Current version is Act 24, and typically new versions come out in the fall. This includes free upgrades, 2,500 monthly emails via Act Marketing Automation. You get a mobile app. You have access to an API, which allows you to potentially connect to other software to expand the way Act works. There is a cloud option. So if you said, hey, I want to get this in the cloud so I can access all my data via web browser, it's $120 per year per user through keystroke synchronization services. And this is a great scenario if you have a desktop and a laptop computer and you want to keep your data synchronized between those two devices. And again, I'd be more than happy to discuss that in greater detail with you. When you do synchronization through keystroke, you also can access your data not only on your desktop and laptop, but in the cloud via web browser. So you have 3 ways to access your data. And that's really a great thing. If you have any questions about any of this information, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I'm an Act Certified Consultant, Sales, Training, and Consulting. Ladies and gentlemen, you have a great day. Thank you so very much for your time. Be well. Bye now.